So for this one, even though it's a denim jean and its jacket, what I decided to do, I decided to add a shirt to it to give it a little bit of color.
Fashion family lifestyle.
Hey you all, welcome to another version with your girl, the fashionable Hannah, and today we are going to be styling different kinds of denims you will all want in your closet. So if you're new to this channel, show your girl some love by liking, commenting and subscribing. Stay tuned. And so for the first denim outfit we're going to be styling, this is it. It's a denim dress. We're gonna be styling this denim dress and let's see how it goes. So it's the first outfit. How you guys feeling this outfit? This is a denim dress. Midi denim dress, you guys can see, right? So what I like about this dress is the fact that it has pockets here and it kind of like hugs your body. It's stretchy. This dress is from BB in a size 6. It's really pretty stretchy and it's nice. It is nice. Like everybody needs a denim dress in her closet. First of all, it's good for spring. You can style this with boots, you can style this with tennis, but today we are styling it more on a casual look. So let's go. I'm gonna be styling it with this Puma shoes. You girls know that I love heels, but today we are doing more of the casual look. So I got my Puma socks and let's go. So this is it for outfit number 1, but we are not done styling. I always tell you guys you have to elevate your style because you have to stand out. So let's see what to add onto this outfit. So I'm going to be adding this of a classy look. What do you guys think about this? And then, since our bag is black, we want to add a beret look. What do you guys think about this? Let's see. Let's see. What do you guys think about this? This is it for outfit number 1. I love this outfit because it's stretchy, it's comfortable. You can wear this to brunches, just for an outing. Like, it's super stylish. Grab this. You guys can shop at BB and shop your denims. They are outrageously classy. Thank you for outfit number 1. Rate this outfit on the scale of 1 to 10 and let me know in the comment section what you think about this outfit. And so we are going now for outfit number 2, a must denim you must have in your closet. We're going to be styling this cutout jeans with this crop top. That's what we're going to be styling. You should have a denim crop top in your closet and we should have this. These are cutout jeans and they are super stylish. So watch me style this and let me know what you think on a scale from 1 to 10. And this is outfit number 2. This is a crop top like I told you guys. These are the baggy destroyed jeans and I paired it up like with the crop blazer. I think with the crop blazer it kind of gives you like some style. And then we're gonna put on our shoes. So these are some Nikes. These are some Nikes. Super comfortable. Just look at your girl. I like the fact that this jean is loose a little bit. This is in a size 9. In Nova, it's loose a little bit and it gives me feeling. This crop top is from Shein. Totally love it. With the quality and the price, I'm gonna tell you, everybody needs it. My crop blazer is from BB. So this is the complete look. What do you guys think about this? Like, what do you think about this? Like, you can wear this, you can actually wear this to hang out, to the park, have fun with your friends, and it's giving what it's supposed to be. I'm telling you, I have some friends who love sneakers. I'm not really a lover of sneakers, but I'm going to rate this outfit like a 10 on 10 just because I'm blending it up with a crop blazer and it gives me some shine and glow. Your girl is the French girl. Like, look at this. And so this is it with outfit number 2. But before we move to outfit number 3, we are going to be styling this denim jacket and denim jeans. It looks easy to style on, but let's see how I'm gonna manage it. You guys need this in your closet. I'm telling you, it's a must to have a jacket, top and bottom. So that's it for outfit number 2. So for this one, even though it's a denim jean and it's jacket, what I decided to do, I decided to add a shirt to it to give it a little bit of color and to give it a little bit of glow. This shirt is from Ross. It's actually $17. You will not believe it. I'm telling you. Like, I have it in white too, so rush there and get it. It's the bling for me, the hearts and everything. So some people may decide to fly it out like this, but we're gonna tuck it in and see how it's gonna look. So I don't know where I got this denim jeans from, but I'm telling you, they do rock. They do rock. Like with this is already a complete dress up of denim. What do you guys think about this? Like, just look at this. But then, since it has a jacket, it's gonna be unfair to wear it without the jacket. So this is the jacket, especially for my friends in Maryland. I'm telling you, definitely need this outfit. I want it to pass through. So another trick is you hold your shirt and you put your hands inside and voila, your shirt is out. So this is it for my denim jacket. Hands, I fold the hands like one time. Take out my collar of my shirt. This is another way to start denim. I'm telling you, this outfit is bomb. Red shirt to give it some color, especially in the month of February where we are still in Valentine's. And then I'm gonna be adding my Nikes, which have a color of red to it, and then let's see the complete look. And I tell you guys, a girl is never complete with her bag, so let me grab a bag. And this is the complete look for outfit number 3. What do you guys think about this? The shirt inside, your sleeves showing a little bit outside. Shirt is from Ross, pretty cheap. I have the white. If you're interested, let me know. And this is in a size large. My jeans, denim up and down, are super fancy. So and that is it for outfit number 3. But before we move to outfit number 4, I'm gonna show you what we are trying on for outfit number 4. This is kind of like a maxi denim jumpsuit. I've never tried it on. I've never styled it on. I got it like 6 years ago from Nova in the size M. So let's see how this is gonna look. Like, I'm scared of this. But to rate this, I'm gonna be rating this like an 8 on 10, just because it's Florida, it's hot. I'm not gonna be putting this on a lot. So let me know your thoughts.